Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Thriller Watch. If you're obsessed with photography and dream of turning your passion into a full-time career, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down 5 practical steps to build a thriving photography career, with tips to help you stand out. Grab your camera, hit that like button, and let's get started. Step 1. Master your craft. Photography isn't just pointing and shooting, it's an art form that requires skill and dedication. Start by learning the technical basics. Understand aperture, shutter speed, and ISO to control your camera like a pro. Experiment with lighting, natural light, golden hour, or studio setups to create mood. Get comfortable with editing tools like Adobe Lightroom, or free options like GIMP to polish your images. Why does this matter? Clients hire photographers who deliver consistent, high-quality work. Try different genres, portraits, landscapes, or macro to discover what you love. For example, I started with street photography, which taught me to capture candid moments. Pro tip: shoot daily, even with your phone, and study photographers you admire on Instagram or YouTube for inspiration. Practice builds confidence and skill. Step 2. Create a standout portfolio. Your portfolio is your calling card. It's what convinces clients to hire you. Select your best 10-15 images that show your unique style and versatility. Quality beats quantity, so avoid including mediocre shots. For example, if you want to shoot weddings, include romantic couple shots and event details like table settings. Build a website using platforms like Squarespace, Wix, or SmugMug. They're user-friendly and affordable. If you're on a budget, a polished Instagram grid works too. Why is this crucial? A strong portfolio proves you're professional and helps clients visualize your work for their needs. To start, offer free or low-cost shoots to friends, family, or local businesses like cafes to build a diverse collection fast. Update it regularly to reflect your growth. Step 3. Network and market yourself. Talent alone isn't enough. You need to get your work seen. Networking is key to landing gigs. Attend local photography meetups, art fairs, or workshops to connect with other creatives, like models, stylists, or event planners. For instance, collaborating with a makeup artist on a photo shoot can lead to referrals. Online, use Instagram and TikTok to showcase your photos and behind-the-scenes content. Post consistently and use hashtags like #PoundPhotographerPortfolio or #WeddingTographer to reach clients. Engage with followers by responding to comments to build a community. Don't be afraid to cold email local businesses, like restaurants needing food photos, with a link to your portfolio. Why does this work? Relationships and visibility turn one-time gigs into repeat clients, and word-of-mouth referrals. 8081. Step 4. Find your niche and clients. Specializing in a specific area, like wedding photography, fashion, or product photography, makes you memorable and attracts the right clients. Research what's in demand locally. Weddings and family portraits are always popular, but niches like pet photography or real estate can set you apart. For example, a friend of mine focused on newborn photography and became the go-to in her town. Start by offering services on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or local classifeeds like Craigslist. Reach out to businesses directly. Cafes need menu photos, realtors need property shots. Charge modestly at first to build experience, then raise your rates as your reputation grows. Why niche down? Positions you as an expert, making clients more likely to trust and hire you. There you have it. 5 steps to launch your photography career. Which step are you tackling first? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more creative career tips. See you in the next video. Keep capturing those moments. On average, photographers in the US pull in about $49,000 a year, but that's just the middle ground. Starting out, you might earn around $23,000 to $60,000 annually, or roughly $17 an hour. Get a few years under your belt, and you could be making $48,000 to $62,000 a year. Seasoned pros. We're talking $84,000 to $140,000 for the top earner, especially in high-paying fields like commercial or fashion photography. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.